Leah with Designer Accessory Adoption. Thanks for watching this video. Welcome back. Today will be a quick video. I am actually going to try something for the first time and we'll see how it works. But I got a vintage Alma that will be listed on my site soon, and I was actually deodorizing it. Basically, it had a storage type of smell to it, and so when I have items that come in with a slight like storage smell, I will use baking soda and stick it in the bag and let it sit to just let it air out that storage odor. So I try to just sell bags that have neutral scents to it. That is a goal. Sometimes that is not always successful, but anyway, I will have actually another video on that coming soon. So without going into more details, I thought this would be a good opportunity to record this video because I was checking on the bag, forgot that I had the bowl in there, or actually I was leaning it over and forgot, and some of the baking soda had dropped in the bag. So now I'm trying to get the baking soda out, and most of it you won't see. It's just some in the corners. I probably will have to take a picture, like you can see over in the area over in the corner over here, that white powder. So I just want to get that out as much as possible. I have not been that clumsy recently to have that happen, but today it happened. I want to get out as much as possible. So I'll just do a quick video and show some before and afters just to give you a sample of what it's like. Maybe this has happened to you or may happen to you. So hopefully this will help. All right, so for the rest of the video, you won't see my face. I'm just going to stand up and do what I need to do. All right, so hi, still here, standing up. I wish I could bring this closer so you could see what I'm doing, but I'm just basically going to I got a roller tape here because I was trying not to use up all my packing tape, and it's sticky on one side, basically those lint rollers. And I'm just going to take the strips and lay the sticky part flat on the inside, and I'll pull it up here so you can see it in a second. And so I'm not going to leave it in there for long periods of time because I don't want the sticky residue to damage the interior. I just want it on there enough, and I'm just pressing down. So I'm just pressing down on the inside like so. I just want to do this long enough to kind of get it out. So we'll see how it goes. See how it goes. It's mostly in the corner area, and you won't see anything on the tape because it's white on white, obviously. And I'm really trying to get in those corners, so I'll keep doing this, and then I will record something at the end so you can see. All right, so just filling in again. I am on strip number 3, so we're going to keep going. It is starting to look better, though, but those corners are getting me. All right, so I finished, and it came out pretty good. I will show some still photos of before and after also so you can see. But if you remember, there was like this white hue in that space there. Now, in the creases, I did have to revert to using a Q-tip and lightly putting some water on it. So not soaking the Q-tip, but just making sure it was moist. And then I quickly just brushed in the hard to reach places that I could not put the sticky roll, and just quickly brushed in that area so that the lining was not getting too wet, but just moist enough to pick up that extra baking soda in the creases where just nothing was small enough, thin enough, sharp enough to get to that spot. So show you again, pretty good. And I'll show an after photo too. In the corner here, in this area, it was really hard because it has kind of this, I don't know, it's like a piece of fabric there, and it's just kind of, it's just tight corners. So I had to do that, and so that got it out really well, and I'm glad because it was white powder everywhere when I knocked that bowl over. So I was very sad about that because, one, when it's your personal item, you are, you know, you want to be in pristine condition. or as pristine as possible, right? And then since I am buying this item to resale, anytime there is an imperfection with it, that has to be factored into the price. So that decreases my profit if I mess up my own items. So that is also why I did that too. But yeah, I'll put another after photo. So if you're interested in pre-loved, pre-owned, secondhand market topics, more so related to handbags, but I also do talk about just fashion in general on the pre-loved market, and then also just fashion in general, retail, or so on and so forth. Definitely consider subscribing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you're liking the content. Go ahead and subscribe too. We are always welcoming subscribers as well to Designer Accessory Adoption. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next Wednesday. Bye.